What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are thoroughly enjoying the spring weather and getting geared up for summertime. We like to spend a lot of time in and on the water, and Cade is all about fishing. He's
all about fishing.
And we've had a goal for a while now for Cade to catch and us to griddle our own fish. That is yet to happen, but I'm feeling really good about this year.
I think this is our year.
But we do eat fish a lot. It is a tasty, healthy meal, and today I'm going to be griddling some tequila lime fish tacos.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
As always, we are griddling on our 22-inch adventure-ready Blackstone griddle, and with our fish tacos, the first thing we're gonna do is season up our fish with some of Blackstone's Tequila Lime Seasoning. I've got our griddle set to medium. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil down and then our fillets. While our tilapia fillets are on the griddle, I am going to get our fish taco sauce going. I'm going to use a half a cup of sour cream. I've got a 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder and some sriracha. Mix it all up.
I think it needs more sriracha.
Oh, well, I was gonna do a taste first.
I already did. I think it needs more sriracha. Tasted with my eyes. Wasn't red enough.
I mean, I still smelled the sriracha coming through strong. And then I'm going to add a squeeze of lime juice. Just do a quick little taste. Yes, perfect. That's delicious. Our fillets are looking good. We're gonna just give these a flip, let the other side cook. Oh, look at that. Our fish is just about ready. The last step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just chop up our fish right on the griddle. That way it's easier to make our fish tacos with. Oh yeah, you can see that nicely cooked in there. I'm gonna just move our fish to the side and turn off the griddle while I throw down a few of our tortillas just to get them nice and warm. It's taco building time. For our taco toppings, we have got some red cabbage, or purple cabbage rather, some tomatoes.
Little baby tomatoes.
Babies. Well, they're little tacos. We need little tomatoes. Red onion.
Purple onion.
Is it purple onion?
No, it's red onion.
It's red onion that looks purple. That's what I
purple.
Hey, Cade. Can you run over and get me the avocado that's in the refrigerator?
Is that a walk of shame if you use your kids to not have to go get it?
I don't know what you're talking about. A little Cotija cheese. We're gonna get like New York style.
Yeah, like fancy restaurant.
Uh-huh.
Some gold utensils or something.
Yeah. A little bit of cilantro. All right. Fish tacos.
They look fantastic.
Dinner's ready, and that's when all the kiddos come around, and you know it's a good one when the baby eats it.
Can't go wrong with fish tacos.
No.
They're fantastic.
Whether
We've not done them with tilapia before, so I'm pretty excited.
Let's dive in.
Man, that's good.
That is really
That
good.
is very good.
Easy, quick, healthy, and the fresh vegetables in the summer is kind of like cooling. Like,
Yeah, you got a lot of flavors going on here. Really good.
really, really good.
The tequila lime seasoning is so good.
Yeah, it's one of our favorites.
It's great on anything. We're almost
You can tell we use it a lot.
we're almost out. It's super good on fish, any kind of fish. So you should definitely grab some of that if you don't have any. Thank you all for watching. We really appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Taylor, Matt, Bruce, Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, and us.
I think there's 2 Todds in there, but
Well,
that's
I mean,
all right.
Todd's a really good
We love
griller.
Todd.
You should definitely make sure you check out Todd.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.